Hey, my name is Rhys at the world famous Brandon Harley-Davidson, here with this gorgeous 48 Special. These are really hard to get a hold of. There's only a limited amount of them. They did them for 2018 and the first quarter of 2019, and damn are they hard to get. It's got chrome coverings all over the bike. This is the 1200 motor. They put in the Evolution motor, which is an advanced Sportster motor, so they made the reliability much better. This thing came out amazingly. This one here shown in Billiard White, tons of fun. Come on down for a test ride. Come see me, Graham, here at Brandon Harley-Davidson. Can't wait to meet you and show you guys this awesome bike.